We'll guide you through how to create a Stripe developer account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website by typing stripe.com in your browser's address bar. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner, and click on it. You'll be taken to the registration page where you need to enter your email address, full name, and create a strong password. Make sure your password is secure by using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After filling out all the necessary fields, click on Create Your Stripe account. Next, you'll be prompted to verify your email address. Go to your email inbox and look for the verification email from Stripe. Open it, and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, you'll be asked to set up two-factor authentication, 2FACT, for added security. This step is crucial as it helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Choose your preferred method, either via an authentication app or SMS, and follow the instructions to complete the setup. After setting up 2FACT, you'll be logged into your Stripe dashboard. From here, you can explore different developer tools and resources Stripe offers. To start integrating Stripe into your application, you can navigate to the Developers section on the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll find API keys, documentation, and other tools you'll need to start working with Stripe's payment processing services. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and the available resources, as they will be essential for your development journey. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.